Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel where we do a variety of things and do almost everything, and anybody can do anything they want if they put their minds to it. But today I'm going to show you how to put an end cap on base trim or any kind of trim you want. Alright, so you're going to want to cut a 45 on each end, one for the piece that's going to go on the wall, and then one for the other piece that's not going on the wall. Alright you guys, so once you got your two 45s cut, one on each end, the piece that's going on your wall, and the piece that's going to be the end cap. Okay, so you take the piece that's going to go on the end cap, and then this little line right here, you're going to want to trace it around with your square to come to this side. Then you're going to want to cut this side, and then you'll have your end cap. Alright, so once you got that piece cut, you'll come out with a piece like this, 45 on one end, straight on the other. You're going to want to take that piece, put it right there on your end cap. It fits just like that. You're going to nail that, and you're going to glue that. And then you got a perfect end cap. Alright you guys can also do this with any kind of trim. Shoe, chair rail, quarter round, anything. You got your 245s, you got your end cap cut, no straight in at the edge, a perfect edge. Alright you guys.